welcome to Storytime with Fairfield County Library. My name is Miss Nina and I am so excited for Storytime today. Are you guys ready? Okay, this week our theme is summer. That means this week we're going to read some books that are all about hot weather and ice cream and going to the beach. Okay, our first book is Sweet Summer by Jennifer Marino Walters, illustrated by John Nez, and published by Red Chair Press. Summer has come, the sun is shining bright. The air is hot and sticky. Goodbye, coats and hats. Hello, sunscreen. Rub it into your skin. Now we're ready for summer fun. Let's have a picnic at the park. Sandwiches, watermelon, lemonade. Ants? Shoo, bugs. Tap the ants to make them go away. Tap the ants. Now let's fly a kite. Up, up it goes. What else do you see in the sky? Pretty butterflies. Will one sit on your hand? Now let's go to the beach. Swimsuit, hat, sunglasses. All ready? We can build a giant sand castle. And then knock it down, smash! Or we can collect seashells. Tap the shells to count to 5. Tap the shells. Riding a bicycle is lots of fun. Remember to wear your helmet. Playing ball is fun too. Kick the ball with your finger. If it gets too hot, you can play in a pool or eat an icy cold ice pop. Yum! Now it's getting dark. Touch the twinkling fireflies. Boom! What's that loud noise? Fireworks! Look at all those pretty colors. Summer days are long and fun, but soon school will start again. And autumn will be here. Okay, that was Sweet Summer. What do you guys think? What's your favorite thing to do in the summer? Okay, our next book is Summer Supper by Rubin Pfeffer, pictures by Mike Austin, and published by Random House. Shovel soil, sow seeds, string, sticks, sun. Sprinkle, sprinkle, snail. sprout, shoot, stalk. Scrumptious, squiggle, squiggle, squirm, squirm, and stem. Scarecrow, surprise! Sunflower, squawk, squawk, squawk. Snip, snip, snip. Sample, sell, sweet. And then we have signs for strawberries, spuds, spinach, and sale. And that is a scale. Slice, soak, shuck. Sizzle, swirl, swish, saute. And we have steam, skillet, a stove, and a salt shaker. Sprinkle spice, stir salad, shake, shake. Silence. Share summer supper. Serve. Sausage. Starving. Sippy straw slurp. Shimmy, shake, sing. Shoo. Sunset. Shaboom, shaboom. Scrub, save, store. Sponge, suds, soap, stack. Sleepy, snooze. Stars, Saturn. Snore. Shh. Snack. Slice. Okay, that was summer supper. What'd you guys think? What do you like to eat when you get to eat outside during the summer? What's your favorite picnic food? All right, everybody, thank you for coming to Storytime. Now, just because we're done reading does not mean we have to be done with Storytime. At the library, you can get something called a Storytime kit, which is a fun-filled activity kit that goes with the books you read today. Each kit comes with a coloring sheet, a craft, and a tasty recipe that you can make with your grown-up. Today, our craft is this: paper ice cream cones. Mine are strawberry flavored and orange flavored. I got sherbet. To get a kit, you need to come to the Fairfield County Library and look for some crates in the children's section. Now we have 2 crates, one for Monday story times and one for Wednesdays, so you want to make sure you grab the right kits, or you could end up something completely different than what I just showed you. The kits for this story time are the Monday ones. They're in the group A crate, and they're the red ones. New kits come out whenever there's a new story time, but if you ask, we might still have some left over from last week. It never hurts to ask. Okay, everyone, thank you for joining me for story time. It's time to say goodbye, but I look forward to seeing you all next time. And I hope to see you in the library this week to pick up a story time kit. Bye!